Hi friends, today in this video we will learn how to bold, italic and underline the text. Let us start. I'm selecting the text A, B, C, D. Now go to the Home tab and then to the font group. In this first option is bold. Click on it. The text is bolded. And now if you want to italic, go to the I, click on it. The text is italic. Now, if you want to underline the text, like I'm selecting ABCD, now go to the font group, then there is the U option. Click on it, the text is underlined. Now, if you want to remove it, again select the text and press on underline. If you want to remove the bold, select the text, click on B. Then, if you want to remove italic, select the text and click on I. So hope you have liked this video. If liked, please share with your friends, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.